Hello, everybody. Many of us know how transparent image works and what it does. We also know that how to download or create a transparent image. But most of us don't know that we can save videos also in transparent format if we want. Then we can use that video anywhere, without the extra hassle of removing the background as a transparent PNG image. So further ado, let's start. At first, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Set project name if you want. Create any solid color background. You can choose also aspect ratio as your demand. Import the color mate on timeline for create sequence. Now create any types of animations such as logo animations, text animations, or any other moving elements. We should avoid creating static content, as we can simply use PNG images for that purpose. It's unnecessary to go through the trouble of creating videos for something that can be achieved with static PNG images. In my case, I have decided to produce a regular text animation in order to condense the tutorial. After type expected text, at first modify it as you like. First of all, I'm going to set it to the middle of the frame. Let's create a simple animation. I want the text to drop down from the middle towards the end. For this, tap on this toggle animation to create a keyframe under the transform. Take another keyframe just before the end. Now put the blue line bar last position of the text. Then increase its amount for drop down the text, as you now watching at Program Monitor. For smooth transition, select second last keyframe, then set, ease out. And set ease in on the last keyframe. Let's have a preview. Perfect. Delete the color mate from under the text graphics. Now press Ctrl+M for exporting the transparent animation footage. Select QuickTime from Format. Select Animation from here. To achieve transparent footage, it is necessary to choose the second option from this selection. If you'll select first one by mistake, then a black background will be automatically applied on your video. After exported, delete the text also from the timeline. Then, let's learn how to use it. Now import any footage for using as background. Drag it on timeline. Now import your exported animated video footage. Drag it up and place it on the top of your selected background. See? I didn't have to bother with any background removal. It's set with Automate Transparency, as PNG logo does. Let's have a slow preview. That's all. This is how you all can create and use any type of transparent video. Select Adaptive High Bitrate for better resolution at the time of exporting. And for today, that's all. Subscribe us for more. Remember, tech passion fuels us. Join our geeky community for an immersive tech experience.